Here we are at the country campground. We just got back from our boat ride. Dad, what are you doing?
Setting up the stove.
Okay, he's setting up the little stove, and Finney's under the table here, waiting for something else to happen. He sure likes the boat.
Hi, it's me. It's lunchtime. Must be about 2 o'clock. Finnegan's eating his lunch. And the head cook is over here.
Hello, just unpacking the lunch. See what we brought. We packed it so long ago, it's a big surprise.
Yeah.
Oh, nice salad.
Tubers just came in. They were on the road for hours, on the river for hours. They came in on this. 2 women and some kids. Here's our inflatable kayak. Took us an hour and a half to get upstream, 10 minutes to get out back again. Huge wind out there. Ooh, look at that. Okay, now we're on the extreme water of the extreme Rum River. I have with me my great North dog. His name is Finnegan Adair, and he has white hair. And this is my lovely Voyager mate. It's my wife Connie.
Look here. Finny, look at Dad.
Say loud, talk loud.
Hello!
You want to get going here upriver, Mom?
Oh, here comes the big motorboat. We better wait. We're going to start rocking here in just a minute. Yeah, look at
Some tubers upstream, Mom. We'll take some video of them when we get closer. Lay down and leave the navigation to me.
Woo! Here we
Ooh, yeah, ooh! Ooh!
Hey!
Finny doesn't know what's going on.
No!
Well, those tubers look kind of far away. I'm going to put the camera away. Hey, Mother.
Yep.
Get this boat under control.
Yeah. We do, don't we, Finny? Yeah. Here we go, then. Here we go. No, it's getting... Finny's kind of hot now. It was cooler the first time we went out.
Gotta talk louder, Mom.
Okay, look at him looking down. I think he's looking for fish.
Sure is handsome.
Yeah, he's looking down. See right through the water.
Why don't you say something to your grandchildren?
Hello, everybody.
Do they have names?
Yeah. Let's see now. I think the oldest one was Sophie, and then William, and Ava. They're all almost a year older now since we saw them.
And their brother is my first child.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah. And I think
Bradley's there too, but they have no dog.
No? Well, we don't know. Maybe they do, but no. We got that little... Whoop, we're going in a circle.
Mom, you're not much of a paddler.
There we go. We're going back now. Good thing we're going back to the
The sun is getting me. Say goodbye, Mom.
Bye! There's Dad, Grandpa, Daddy, paddling away. We're on our way back to the landing at the campgrounds where we had our little picnic today, just downstream from our house. We're okay.
Piloting this boat.
Yeah, we're moving right along here. And okay, here's the campground. There's some people up there backing up. Here's the campsite. Coming up to the landing. There he goes. Whoops. Stop. We're getting ready to go in here. Really pretty out here, so, except for there's some kind of biting flies every once in a while. So these are all the tent sites. Of course, we didn't stay out in a tent. We just came down here for the day. Now they're skipping rocks, those kids. So here we go. We're going into the landing now. Some little boys down there skipping rocks. I hope they hold their fire until we get in. Yep, they're going away. So, I guess it's okay. See the stop sign? Okay, here we go. Almost there. The kayak, we're going out for another ride. Alright. What are you doing here? Let's see, watch it. See a little battery. Rolling it up. Putting all the air in it. There, okay, see all the air that's going into the kayak here? Makes me think of when we used to huff and puff until we were dizzy, blowing up the air mattresses and the inner tubes for Spectacle Lake.
Well, it's the next day and we're continuing on with our extreme adventure on the Rum River. And up front here is our main paddler. Turn around and say hello to your family.
Hello.
Who's that in front of you there, Constanzio?
That's Finny. Finnegan there.
Hey, Finny.
Finny, smile at Daddy. Finny, look at Daddy. Ben. He's busy checking out the shoreline.
Yeah, he knows you're going to run into that branch and blind him.
Oh, yeah.
No, the other way, Connie.
Oh. Hold on, Finny. Close your eyes. We should have goggles. There we go. How about that?
Pretty good, Mom. Straight ahead now. Paddle, throw your weight into it. Arrgh.
Here we go. Watch out, Finny. Here we go, out in the sunshine. Can you see way upstream there? Huh? Yeah, I think we can see so far ahead up to the curve. Very quiet out here, no motorized vessels or anything.
Say goodbye for now, Mom.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Here we are on a swamp bank. Here's the rest of my kayaking crew.
Can you show around the curve that way and around the curve that way?
Well, there's the curve that way.
And we're here on this little sandbar.
You gotta talk louder, Mom. You have to kind of holler.
We're here on a small sandbar at the horseshoe turn of the curve on the river here. Pretty cool.
Come on, Finny. Let him go. Let him go. Not going to drown. I want to see something once. I'm going to give you the camera. Say goodbye, Mom.